Hello and welcome to the Phoenix Studio. Today we are talking about 10 most visited country in Asia 2023. The World is a book and these who do not travel read only a page is a beautiful travel quotes by the Saint Augustine. So here we have a list of 10 most visited country in Asia to give you some major travel goals. These lists rank by the annual international visitor. So let's start the video. Indonesia is a popular destination for tourists seeking stunning beaches, ancient temple and lush rainforest. 14 million visitors come to explore Indonesia each year. Visitors can experience traditional Indonesian culture, indulge the delicious cuisine and enjoy the natural beauty. The country is known for its warm hospitality and friendly people, making it a welcoming destination for travelers. UAE is a popular destination for tourists seeking luxurious experience and modern attraction. It welcomes 15.7 million visitors each year. Visitors can explore stunning architecture, indulge the world-class shopping and enjoy beautiful beaches and desert landscape. The country is also known for its warm hospitality and unique culture experience, making it a welcoming destination for travelers. Singapore, officially the Republic of Singapore, is the sovereign island country and city-state of maritime Southeast Asia. It is home of lot of skyscraper, modern shopping mall and bustling neighborhood. It welcomes 16 million visitors each year. Main attractions are Marina Bay, Singapore Flyers, Night Safari and Singapore Botanic Garden. South Korea is a destination that offers visitors a unique blend of Asian tradition and modern technology. 16 million visitors come here each year. Visitors can explore bustling city, serene temples, and beautiful natural landscape, as well as indulge a delicious cuisine and experience traditional Korean culture. The country is known for its hospitality and welcoming atmosphere. Vietnam is a popular destination for tourists seeking beautiful beaches, rich history and delicious cuisine. It's welcomed 18 million visitors from all over the world. Visitors can explore ancient temples and landmarks, experience traditional Vietnam culture and enjoy the country's stunning natural landscape. Vietnam is also known for its warm hospitality and friendly people. India is a diverse and culturally rich destination, offering visitors a unique travel experience, from stunning historical landmark and vibrant city to breathtaking natural landscape. 19 million visitors come here each year to explore. Visitors can immerse themselves in India's rich culture and traditions. The country is also known for its delicious cuisine, warm hospitality and colorful festival. Malaysia is a popular destination for tourists seeking beautiful natural landscape, vibrant city and diverse culture experience. It welcomes 26 million visitors each year. Visitors can enjoy stunning beaches, lush rainforests and delicious cuisine, as well as explore historical landmarks and modern attractions. The country is known for its warm hospitality and friendly people, making it a welcoming destination for travelers. Japan is a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Known for its unique blend of Asian traditions, the modern technology, Japan welcomes 31 million visitors each year. Visitors can explore Asian temples and shrines, experience traditional Japanese culture, indulge delicious cuisine and marvel at the country's stunning natural landscape. Thailand is a popular tourist destination in Southeast Asia, known for its beautiful beaches, typical climates, rich history and vibrant culture. 39 million tourists come here each year. Visitors can enjoy the variety of activities such as exploring Asian temples, sampling local cuisine, shopping at market and relaxing on the beaches. The country is also known for its welcoming hospitality and affordable price, making it an attractive destination for budget-conscious traveler. China is a popular tourist destination in Asia for its rich history, culture and natural beauty. It welcomes 68 million visitors each year. Visitors can explore ancient landmarks such as the Great Wall and the Forbidden City, enjoy traditional cuisine and experience the modern city of Shanghai and Beijing.